But for today's video, we have a great news to share. Click on the description link and you will be led to a page where you can get a complete back-to-school safety guide and learn what to do to keep your kids safe at school. Now scroll down to the giveaway part and you will see the Gleam entrance. And set aside it are shown the $1,500 prizes. We have 5 pieces of $100 gift cards for the first prize winners, 10 pieces of $50 gift cards for the second prize winners, and 20 pieces of $25 gift cards for the third prize winners. Finish all the steps here to win the biggest chance. Share this page to social media with the right hashtag and @FamiSafe will boost your chance to the most. We will announce the winners on our Facebook page, so stay tuned by liking our page. Hi everyone, this is Radhi with FamiSafe. Now that the lockdowns in various parts of the world are lifted, with many more countries following suit, the days of online classes are coming to a long-awaited end. But this raises another set of worries for parents, namely the safety concerns regarding their children. What can FamiSafe do to help the kids' school safety? Here are 5 things for parents to make the most use of FamiSafe. Number 1. Set screen time schedule to limit distractions. While your kids probably got a fair amount of screen time this summer, now is the time to get back in a healthier digital habit and limit distractions. Use FamiSafe and set the screen time schedule to restrict excessive screen time. Number 2. Set up location tracking and geofences during pandemic. Don't forget that COVID-19 is still a severe problem. Track where and when your kids have been to via the location history on FamiSafe. And set geofences alert in case your kids go to or are taken to unusual places. Kids can also open FamiSafe Junior to find their parents by clicking Find My Parents. Number 3. Set up cyberbullying prevention via the explicit content alert and browser history. Schools often block standalone chat rooms and social media platforms with a firewall, and students know that websites for schoolwork can't be blocked. Classroom chats and Google Docs can then pick up right where they left off when kids get home. So parents have to be aware of the chatting content on platforms like Google Docs. By setting bullying words as the explicit content in FamiSafe's explicit content detention and viewing browser history to check when and what your kids browsed, even in incognito mode, you will get a peace of mind at once if cyberbullying happens. Number 4. Create a family online safety contract. To sign a digital safety contract is a great way for your family to collaborate on rules for using devices and accessing the internet. It can help make sure the whole family is on the same page about how to get the most out of technology and, most importantly, how to stay safer online. FamiSafe provides a contract template both for parents and kids. Download the file via the description link for free now. Number 5. Stay tuned and engage on FamiSafe social media pages. FamiSafe has millions of parent users. Follow us on our social media pages and drop any of your thoughts or questions in the comments. Parents help parents. FamiSafe would like to be the bridge to connect parents worldwide. The FamiSafe parental control app is available on all contemporary platforms, which means that no matter what device you have, FamiSafe has you covered. It offers support for Mac, Windows, Android, iOS, and even Amazon Kindle. If you guys have any other questions or any suggestions, then please tell us in the comments. We love hearing from you. Before leaving, don't forget to join our giveaway via the links in the description and share the video with your loved ones. Good luck!